Hi guys, how you all doing? It's rather windy outside here today. I just wanted to share with you some bird feeds. What I give to the birds here. I've just got to walk over there and get it. Pretty windy out there, so let's just hope this camera doesn't get blown over. Bear with me. I only filled this up just a few days ago, and because we're going into the winter, obviously the birds or different species here, they like to eat more, so I'm just going to fill this up. Well, what a shame, eh? I know. Let's move the stick over to here, shall we? Will this be okay? That's a bit better, isn't it? That's a bit better. Anyway, this is where I keep all the premium bird food, see? All that. This particular one seems to be the most popular, so oh, there goes the wind again. Sorry about this, I'm just trying to keep the camera up straight. I don't know. I have to keep hold of it. I've nearly done it anyway. This here. Let's put the lid back on. Ooh, I nearly tripped. So I'm just hanging up there. See? I just need to go and put the lid back on the on that bird food on a big bin. So, it's quite cold today, very cold, and so any time now the birds I'm sure will devour that, so I'm filling it up at least twice a week now, maybe more, or 3 times actually I'll fill it up this week. Unbelievable. I love feeding birds, you know. Remember the old days when we would like to give out bread? Apparently it's not a good thing to give ducks bread. So, hi, you alright, Mum? Yeah, I just...
What did you say?
I said, are you okay? Yeah, I'm just talking to my mum. Lovely and warm in this conservatory, absolutely. Hello, you two lazy bones, eh? Oh, and you, yeah, I know. You alright there, Max, laying there? I don't know if you can see him. Let's put some lights. Hello. You a good boy, eh? You a good boy? Hey, you guys say hello to camera. I subscribed to a wonderful channel just recently. It's got some such funny looking pets on there. That's going to be part of my shout out at some point. So, you alright, Mister? You want your food now, do you? You want your food? Let's see if you eat it. Come on. No, eat it. Eat. Come on. They're doing absolutely fine for their age, you know. They're so lively. I think it's because there's 2 of them. And of course they do get exercise very well, which you've got to do for these. They normally have a reputation, German Shepherds, of their back legs going. But here, they're absolutely fine. So, but I'm just slightly concerned because that car, I have to, well, rather, Well, I've shown you the car already in a previous video, but it's actually that high, so Max can jump up in. But of course, Misty I have to lift up, probably because she's quite heavy. So, anyway, hope you like this video with me feeding birds. And I'll see you in the next one, ESP. I'm going to try my utmost to do some shout outs. I may even do them tomorrow. And so I'll see you in that one. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Enjoy the video. Don't forget to help me reach that target 1,000 and beyond. Thank you. Goodbye.